In a world where people often show off their wealth, there's a group that keeps their wealth a secret. They are rich, but don't show it with flashy things. They prefer a simple life and enjoy the real benefits of having money, like having more freedom and time, not just buying expensive stuff. Looking for signs that someone is secretly wealthy isn't about being nosy. It's about understanding how some people use money in smart ways, not just to impress others. They see money as a tool for a better life. Let's look at 9 quiet signs that someone might be rich, even if they don't make it obvious. Number 1. Unbranded clothing. Wealthy people aren't trying to prove they've got money, nor are they trying to give free advertising to other brands. They're comfortable with knowing they can buy whatever they want, but don't feel the need to exercise this ability. They'd rather buy high-quality, unbranded clothing that lasts. It's always quality over quantity when it comes to the clothing of the wealthy. Number 2. They spend money to save time. Wealthy individuals don't think of money like the average person. For them, it's just a tool used to reclaim time. Time is their priority. They understand their time is one of the only things that can't be reclaimed once it's gone, so they guard it with all their resources. The average person may think it's indulgent to have a maid, but to the wealthy person, it's an investment in themselves. The extra 2-3 hours they get back from paying someone else is valued more than the money they spent. Number 3. They are punctual. Being on time is very important, especially when meeting with wealthy people. They see time as very valuable. If you're on time, it shows you respect them and value their time. But if you're late, it might seem like you don't care about their time. Sometimes wealthy people might be late on purpose if they want to show they have more control in a situation. However, when they're with their peers, they make sure to be very punctual. Number 4. They don't complain. Wealthy people often become successful because they focus on solving problems instead of complaining about them. This way of thinking is a big part of their lives. They see a problem, and instead of getting upset or talking a lot about it, they start thinking of ways to fix it. This helps them move forward and keep achieving their goals. This attitude isn't just about money or business. Wealthy people use this approach in everything they do, whether it's dealing with friends, solving community issues, or tackling bigger challenges. They prefer to use their energy to find solutions rather than waste time being negative. For anyone looking to be more successful, trying to think and act this way can be really helpful. It's about always looking for ways to make things better, no matter what you're facing. This not only leads to more success, but also makes life more fulfilling and positive. Number 5. Working is a choice. Wealthy people often love what they do for work, which is why they can spend so many hours on it. They don't work just because they need money. They work because they enjoy it. Their jobs usually match up with what they're interested in, so working feels rewarding to them, not just like a chore. Since many wealthy individuals could afford to not work at all, their choice to keep working shows that they're really passionate about their projects or businesses. They see work as a chance to keep growing, exploring new ideas, or making a positive impact. This shows that loving what you do for work can lead to success and happiness. It suggests that finding a job that matches your passions can make your work life much more enjoyable and meaningful. Working then becomes something you choose to do, not something you have to do. Number 6. Small social circle, but extremely well connected. The concept of 6 degrees of separation, introduced by Hungarian writer Frigis Karinthi, suggests that all people are 6 or fewer social connections apart. This concept is vividly illustrated among the wealthy, who often use their social connections to expand their networks and open up new opportunities. Despite knowing many people, they tend to have a small circle of friends, each remarkable in their own right. This is likely because the wealthy prefer to surround themselves with 2 kinds of individuals outside their immediate family. For example, the people they trust or the people they can learn from. It's all about keeping good energy around and sticking with people that make you want to be better. Number 7, unique confidence. If a wealthy person walked into the room right now, you'd know it. Not because they'd be making a lot of noise. They don't usually do that in public. It's all about how they carry themselves. Wealthy people have this undeniable confidence. It's not about arrogance. It's more about a strong sense of self-assurance. You can tell they truly believe in themselves. They exude confidence in every action. Number 8, they are extremely generous. It's easy to mistakenly assume that wealthy people might be arrogant, but that's often not the case. Once you really get to know them, you might find that they're incredibly generous. Sure, there are always exceptions, but many wealthy individuals genuinely enjoy sharing their resources. They might seem reserved at first, and it's understandable. They often encounter people who are only interested in them for what they can give. Despite this, many wealthy people are truly big-hearted and love to help others, showing generosity in many aspects of their lives. Lastly, number 9, they have expensive hobbies. Wealthy individuals often engage in hobbies that go beyond the ordinary, leaning towards activities that are not only passions but also require a significant investment. These can range from golf, polo, and art collecting to skiing, mountain climbing, and tennis. Such hobbies aren't chosen at random. They reflect a desire to immerse themselves in pursuits that offer both personal fulfillment and social engagement. Engaging in these costly hobbies serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it allows individuals to connect with others who share similar interests and values, fostering a community of like-minded peers. Secondly, the investment in these activities isn't just financial. It's also about accessing the highest quality experiences, from the best facilities and equipment to top-tier services and resources. This pursuit of excellence extends beyond their professional lives into how they choose to spend their leisure time. Moreover, these expensive hobbies often open doors to exclusive events and social circles, providing unique networking opportunities and social interactions. This aspect of their lifestyle is a testament to how wealth can facilitate experiences and connections that are enriching on both a personal and professional level. In essence, the choice of hobby among the wealthy is a reflection of a broader lifestyle that values quality, exclusivity, and the enrichment of life through experiences that are both challenging and rewarding. It's a testament to their approach to life, seeking out the best not only in their work, but in their personal pursuits as well. Diving into the quiet signs of being secretly wealthy reveals that true wealth goes beyond just having lots of money. These insights show how to lead a fuller, more meaningful life. The secrets uncovered, like valuing time over material things, finding joy in what you do, and the importance of generosity, highlight the essence of a good life. They encourage personal growth, cherishing every moment, fostering strong relationships, and pursuing true passions. This glimpse into the lives of those who are secretly wealthy shows that real richness isn't about flaunting wealth. It's about living with intention, caring for others, and finding joy in daily life. So, let's embrace these lessons and live like the secretly wealthy, enriching life, not by accumulating more, but by being more. Thank you for watching till the end. Remember, leading a rich life is about much more than money. It's about making choices that bring joy and fulfillment. Here's to living the wealthiest life, in every sense of the word.